Hey you! Welcome to our channel. This is Nala, our tiny home at Beneto's first 26 feet. I'm Conceição and this is our captain Cleanthis. We started our journey in 2016 from Greece, Crete, with the dream to circumnavigate the globe. Since then, we visited West Africa, Senegal, the Bijagos archipelago in Guinea-Bissau and got trapped in the Caribbean. Exploring mountains is a passion, and the depths of the sea is an obsession. But that's okay, since life itself is our only possession. Join us on this journey. Cheers. Don't finish it, okay? Hi guys! Long time no see, right? Well, it's just like we don't learn the lesson. Here we go again in a hiking. Okay, we are expecting to be easier than the one in Guadeloupe. And here we are, steep, going up, okay, of the hill. Okay, you can stop now.
As every adventure we start in Caribbean, we always for some reason start at 12 o'clock, so it's super hot as well. The plan is to go up the volcano and camp for the night.
Mont Pele. Okay, Mont Pele, here we come. We have two kilometers, 2 steep kilometers, Jesus Christ! Words are not coming out. 2 steep kilometers to go now.
You can see hike.
2 steep. We have 2 steep kilometers to go up, to go through, to reach the beginning of the hike. As you see, we try to hitchhike, but it's not so easy. There are very few cars going this direction. So here we go again. And you're gonna see me crying the end of the night, of course. Because I wasn't counting with this part. Anyway,
wait.
Cheer us up and wish us luck.
So, we finished the road part. It took us 1 hour and a half to come up here. And we are now on the base of the path. Unfortunately, we have to go about 2 kilometers more, and it's tiring.
I'm gonna save our breath for whenever we reach the shelter, and after we'll talk with you. But we are on the top at beginning, very beginning of the hike, and we are dying already, but we'll get there. We'll climb up there.
So this is our route. We are now here and we're gonna do the whole this up to the shelter here, stay for the night, and tomorrow morning we're gonna do the round and come back to the boat. The whole route is supposed to be about 4 hours. Here it says that the blue route is 2 hours 20, so we're gonna be there by night time. Now it's almost 2 o'clock afternoon. I was almost ready to say after midnight. And yeah, let's go.
Someone is tired here, huh?
I don't have any place to put my hammock. We are inside the cloud.
This is a goddamn steep way up. This is not hiking. This is climbing again. Oh geez, why I never learn. My body's having flashback from the previous hike. And I feel it trying to tell me. And I'm closing my ears. I told you so. I gave you signals from the morning. Why don't you just goddamn listen? Oh, we are inside the clouds. Whew. Oh, well. Inside the clouds.
I have to go up there. This is our new drone that our friend Nikos gave us as a present for the channel and to help us recording. It's his old drone. It's a Mavic Pro, the first model. It's not perfect,
It is good.
but it's good. It's really good. And the only reason I would like to have the second model, like the Mavic Pro 2, it's because it flies for 40 minutes, and this one it flies for only 20 minutes. But well, I'm not gonna complain. It's still a good drone. And I'm still trying to learn to fly it. I crashed it already on a tree in Paris on the test runs. I haven't crashed it since then.
You hear that, Nikos and Steffi? Been crashing the drone. I told him to let it live until you come back at least.
My phone, love. Can you pass
What
it
it is?
from the back? It's on the back, on this flat sock on the front of the back. Yeah. So first flight from Hunt. And you're up in the air.
We arrived to the shelter. This is our shelter that I just showed you. This is the system they have to cap water here. I think they should have at least cover it and connect the hose there so the water is not exposed. Will be for shower or just to filter. You can still filter it like this, but it's a bit not very pleasant to see. Well. As you see, the water look a bit cloudy. Someone is fighting with the hammock inside there. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Get yourself ready. Oh.
There is a lot of fruity. This knot is tightening and it's like and I'm like I'm gonna fall. We need to extend it a bit.
So you managed, huh?
It's they're too long, the hammocks. I mean they're not long, this is too short. So we need to put them like sideways if we want to be comfortable. At least. So this is our small mountain house. Here it used to be the living room that right now we are renovating. So we have some wood used for the path, and there used to be some 12-volt batteries as well, but they were taken. I'm gonna take you to the sleeping quarters, which they are at least 4 stars. Here we have our hammocks with our mosquito nets. This is Conceição's hammock. This is my hammock. And there is a rope to hang our stuff on the window, so to keep it away from ants and stuff, which I doubt. At least we're gonna eat all our food today, or hide it. And that's all. It's not the best place, and unfortunately, when the path is very known and a lot of people are coming, you get a lot of mess on those places. But at least nobody pooped inside, and it doesn't smell bad. So we'll be grateful for that. Conceição is feeling like home. Come on, not on your back. Show me what you got there. Show me what you got.
Leave me alone. This is better than a blanket and easier to carry. Or a no.
This is the valley. Tomorrow we're gonna walk. You're gonna go walk down there and go up the path up to the top of the volcano. Before you fold it all, you do half in the back and half in the other side of the back.
And you let me do this and have to turn on the camera to tell me that, huh?
No, I was turning on the camera while you were doing that.
I'm gonna prove that I can do it anyway. Now watch out, Mr. Winter.
The other side, you have the papers outside.
It's supposed to fall in there. So open your eyes and tell it for new ways of doing things.
Good morning, baby. How was your sleep?
So the day early started, as usual, and we're gonna keep on the track. Not going home yet, just keep on. Going up gonna be painful. This really has an amazing view from up the top here. Still have way to go. We want to reach the crater and we want to record it too. Unfortunately, our gimbal decided to die battery wise. So if the video is a bit shaky, please forgive us. There's not much more we can do. Up.
we got the rain, so we had to run back, but at least we have the shelter and extra water to drink.
Why is foam coming out?
Huh?
Foam coming out.
Oh,
Oh, there.
it's bubbles.
So this was the flashback my body was telling me from yesterday night. Dominica, not Dominica, I'm sorry, Guadeloupe. Okay, and here we go. Right now, you see, everything is a river right now. I'm not even trying to save my shoes anymore because it's completely soaked, you know, and it's cold. It was cooler where we were before, maybe because we are moving to now it's better.
Now we go lower.
But we go lower also, it's true. But wow.